Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the Tech channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can disable getting promotional emails from AliExpress. Now the first thing you want to do is to open up your email. That's the email where you often get the promotional messages. And once the email has been opened, just go ahead and search for AliExpress. So as soon as you search for AliExpress, you're going to get all the compilation or rundown of emails from AliExpress to your mailbox. So the next thing you want to do from here is to open up one of the emails, and once it's opened, just scroll to the bottom part of the message and then click on view entire message. Alright, so once you do that, scroll down to the bottom of the message again, and you should see this unsubscribe button. So just go ahead and click on unsubscribe. Alright, so say sorry to see you go. You're about to turn off daily deal emails. You'll miss out on whatever. So just go ahead and click on unsubscribe. Alright, so that way you have successfully unsubscribed your mailbox from getting promotional emails from AliExpress. So that's how to go about that. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share, and I'll see you in the next one.